As part of the measures and strategic planning to ensure that Lagos State is a safer and more secure place, under the Commissioner of Police, Lagos State, CP One-year led initiative, the Assistant Commissioner of Police in charge of Area M, ACP Gbenga Adeoye, has held a meeting with several stakeholders and grassroots peoples under the Eagle Crime Awareness and Preventive Initiative, ECAPI, on the right orientation towards crime prevention. Those at the meeting include grassroots local security personnel, hoteliers, captains of industry, Lagos State Neighborhood Safety Corps serving under the Area M's jurisdiction. Also involved were community development associations, sectional heads of the police across Agonise State, Ikotun, Igondo, Idimu, Shasha, Egbeda, Egbe, and Isheri-Oshun. This orientation meeting aimed at curtailing criminal activities and identifying black spots under the jurisdiction of the Area M commander.
A part of what we also challenge the community with is for them to be vigilant. The police cannot be everywhere at all times. We need them to serve as our eyes and our ears and give us information. The problem of drug abuse, illicit drug use, and all the associated crimes with it, the crimes of cultism, those of domestic violence, sexual violence and other sexual-based violence, they are now on the increase in the community. There's need for the community to give us information about where these people are peddling, hawking this drug that are altering the mind of our youth and making them to misbehave. There is need for them to let us know, because a lot of them now have been getting themselves involved in all these sexual offenses, raping, defiling people in the community. And again, we also spoke about those that are disturbing the peace of the community because of their businesses, particularly those that are running clubs till late in the night, blaring their speakers, causing noise pollution, not allowing people to have rest. We've asked them to regulate their businesses to reasonable time and, of course, to control the noise they cause in the community. The issue of cultism is endemic, that it has even moved into our institutions, secondary school for that matter. People shooting themselves, court members shooting and killing themselves on the road, even cutting off part of the body after killing. All these heinous crimes are not done by normal, reasonable people. They are done because of the drug they might have taken that will make them to misbehave, not to even have any sanctity for life. Under my watch, such act will not be condoned. Just a couple of days ago, I led a team to Isheri-Oshun where we went to effect arrest in one road, in one area of that community where those people were harboring, and about 4 of them have been charged to court. And we are planning a massive operation, particularly along Road 31 Road at One Estate, because their issues, their complaints have been getting to me.
Conclusively, the meeting was centered on the communal Know Your Neighbor and Know Your DPO's number. In Lagos, Jennifer Zazu reporting for Newsbuster TV.